Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer plans to set up an assembly line in Poland to produce the KC-390 military cargo plane. This decision comes in line with the aircraft's strong sales momentum in Europe, where Embraer sees the European Union as an important market for the KC-390. The Czech Republic, Austria, the Netherlands, Sweden and Slovakia have also recently moved to supply the aircraft, joining Portugal and Hungary, which are already operating the aircraft. The company said CEO Francisco Gomes Neto visited Poland and added that they are looking for partners for the production of parts for the KC-390 and a potential final assembly line. Embraer has previously said that production lines for the aircraft could be established in the US and India. The company aims to strengthen sales abroad to increase the global spread of the KC-390. Describing Poland as the right strategic partner for military equipment production, the aircraft manufacturer said the assembly line and related after-sales ecosystem are worth around $1 billion and could create 600 local jobs. Gomes Neto said that he had contacts with existing, new and potential partners in Poland in the fields of production, final assembly, maintenance and repair, conversion to passenger transport, research and development, and electric aircraft. Besides the KC-390 assembly line, other potential projects in Poland include the subassembly of structural parts for E-2 commercial aircraft, the conversion of E-190 aircraft into cargo aircraft and a maintenance facility for landing gear. According to Embraer, it has the potential to create a total investment of more than $2 billion in commercial aviation over 10 years and more than 4,400 jobs. The KC-390 is a military transport aircraft that began design and production in 2009 with a $1.3 billion development order from Embraer's Brazilian Air Force. The aircraft, which was completed in 2015, made its first flight the same year. It received its certification from the Brazilian Aviation Authority ANAC in October 2018.